There is I thought look hello. Somewhere this constituency is ruled by an independent MLA supporting the BJP government. How do you look at elections today in Kortani?
आयज आमी कोर्तालीचे कॅम्पेन बाब कॅप्टन विराटोचे स्टार्ट केलेले आसा आनी आयज आमचे सगळे लिडर्स पंच मेंबर्स इन्क्लुडिंग फ्रॉम द वन इन सपोर्ट ऑफ दिस प्रेजेंट MLA हैज कम इन सपोर्ट ऑफ अस टू सपोर्ट काँग्रेस पार्टी. सो आयज सावथान सगळो वारो जाल्लो आसा आनी स्पेशली कुट्टाय कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीन वारो जाल्लो आसा की कॅप्टन विराटो काँग्रेस जे इंडिया अलायन्स जे सगळे पार्टी जे सगळे गोंयकार एक जाल्या आयज ही अलायन्स पार्टनरां जिखपाक हाडपाक आनी आयज लोकांनी दाखयलेलें आसा की ह्या अलायन्स कॅन्डिडेटाक बाब कॅप्टन विराटोक जिखून हाडपाचें हें थारायलेलें आसा आनी आमी कोर्तालीचे लोक एक 15,000 लिडान हे जिखून येतले आमकां ही खात्री आसा. आतां आमी कोर्ताली कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीन पळयलेलें आसा आयजूच आतांच पळयल्यार आमी सांजचे पळयल्यार काम चलता इलिगल काम सगळे कोर्ताली कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी जे काम चलता जे कायद्या भायर चलता रेल्वे जावं नाल्यार हॉटेल प्रोजेक्ट जावं नाल्यार जेटी जावं कसलेय प्रोजेक्ट जावं जे कायद्या भायर जाता चोऱ्यो जाता मर्डर जाता ड्रग्स मेनांचा कितें आहा ते सगळे आसा कोर्ताली कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीन. पूण एक इट्स अनफॉर्च्युनेट हांव मागता आमचो लोकल MLA जो इंडिपेंडंट आपूण म्हणटा आनी आपूण BJP न्हू म्हणटा BJP न्हू जाल्यार बाबा यो मुखार गोंय राखपाक शेतां राखपाक तूं शेतकाराचो लिडर शेतकारांक काबार करपाक हें सरकारान केलेलें आसा. दिल्ली आयज सगळे शेतकार बसलेले आसा स्ट्रायकाक 3 MSP 3 फार्म लॉजाक ओपोज करपाक मिनिमम सपोर्ट प्रायस डिमांड करपाक. पूण आयज जे शेतकाराचो लिडर जो आसा हिंगा तोच शेतकारा बराबर ना आनी जो सरकार शेतकारांक काबार करपाक वयता म्हाका दिसता तो थिंगा आसा. सो आमी आयज कुट्टायच्या लोकांनी आयज थारायलेलें आसा की काँग्रेस पार्टीचो उमेदवार बाब कॅप्टन विराटोक जिखून हाडपाचें काम हें सगळ्यांनी आयज थारायलेलें आसा.
ऑरेंज बाबा लास्ट टायम जेन्ना कॅन्डिडेट BJPचो हिंगा आयिल्लो somewhere the MLA has said that this time Kortalim constituency will take the lead and entire politics will change from here. What do you think on that?
I think our local MLA who before election had said that he is an independent, he has no affiliation with BJP. तेका येवनी कॅमेराचेर म्हणूनी आनी ते शेतकाराच्या मुखार वचून उलोवनी की आपूण BJPक सपोर्ट करता म्हणून. आयज शेतकारांनी नुस्तेकारांनी ST लोक OBC समाज सगळ्या बारीक लोकांनी डिसायड केलेले आसा की इनफ इज इनफ. म्हारगाय खंय पावल्या GST खंय पावल्या आयज रिवर जुवारी पळय आसा तो विकलोलो आसा आयज दोरयो जो आसा तो विकलोलो आसा सगळे विकलेले आसा. आनी म्हाका दिसना कुट्टायचे लोक इतले मूर्ख आसा कुट्टायचे लोक हुशार लोक आसा. आमी व्हडले लिडर आमचे कुट्टायन आसा TB कुन्या आसा अशें करून व्हडले लिडर आमचे कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीन आसा आनी आमचे लोक इज नॉट अ पर्सन वीच वी कॅन बी मॅन्युपुलेटेड एवरी टायम. तेणें एकदां फटयलेले आसा दुसरे फावटी आमचे कुट्टायचे लोक दे विल नॉट बी फूल्ड अँड आय एम शुअर दॅट पीपल ऑफ कोर्ताली हॅव डिसायडेड टू गिव लीड फॉर काँग्रेस पार्टी.
ऑलेंसो जायते हिंगा चळवळ जाल्या ऑल दीस प्रोटेस्ट यू आर अ पार्ट ऑफ इट. देर इज डबल ट्रॅकिंग देर इज issues with the fishermen. So regarding these issues you think this will help the Congress become even stronger this time?
Absolutely. आयज आमी पळयलेलो आसा अदानी जो आसा तेणेन ऑलमोस्ट 23 बिलियन स्कॅम केलेलो आसा आनी तो आमचे काँग्रेस लिडर बाब राहुल गांधीक आयज सस्पेंड केलेलो आसा तेंच्यांनी. MP जे पार्लमेंटान सरकाराक क्वेश्चन करता तांकां सस्पेंड केलेलो आसा. आयज अदानीक लागून आख्खो गॅस शेतां दोरयो न्हंय कितें विकूंक ना ते सांगा सगळे विकले एअरपोर्टूय विकलेले आसा रेल्वे विकलेले आसा. सो म्हाका दिसता हो मार चड कोर्तालीच्या लोकांक पडलेलो आसा आनी म्हाका खात्री आसा कोर्ताली लोक जो बरो कॅन्डिडेट आमचो कॅप्टन विराटो जे काँग्रेस पार्टी जे अलायन्स पार्टनरान दिलेलो आसा तो तेका निवडून हाडटले म्हणून.
कॉन्फिडंट दॅट काँग्रेस विल गेट अ लीड फ्रॉम कोर्तालीम?
100% कोर्ताली कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी विल गेट लीड. म्हाका दिसना आमचे लोक इज हॅपी विथ BJP डेव्हलपमेंट. वी हॅव सीन very lately our ex-MLA also have joined the party and that shows the mood of the people of constituency and they will definitely vote for the alliance partner.
Yes. Madam. You've been a part of the meeting today. How is the response of the people for the Congress party today?
I think the response is very encouraging, very positive. There is no doubt Congress will win the day. On the 7th, it is very obvious that every section of the people in Goa, majority is going to vote for Congress, and Congress is going to win with a thumping majority. Because what is happening in Goa, okay, Goa is being treated with scant respect. Whether it is the double track, Southwestern Railway double track, okay, or whether it is the diversion of the river Made. Why should we be the sufferers when we have, by right, these are the commodities that are ours? River Made, nature has placed River Made, its source in Goa. It's not manipulated by anybody. The creator has put it there. And River Made is the only source of potable water. Why is it being diverted to Karnataka when Karnataka has got about 7 to 8 freshwater rivers? Why are we being ill-treated by the center, and why are our elected representatives not fulfilling their responsibility of ensuring that our rights are protected? So there's too many things happening. Double track, again the same story. Double track is being made specially to carry coal. The coal that's going to come from Australia to Goa at Mormugaon Port, and from Mormugaon Port through Goa, it's being taken to Bareilly in Karnataka. Now tell me, how many ports does Goa have? Goa has only one port. How many ports does Karnataka have? Karnataka has 12 minor ports and one major port, 13 ports. So why can't the coal that's coming from Australia land at these ports in Karnataka and then be taken to Bareilly in Karnataka? Why is there a purpose to pollute Goa? Goa, besides that, Goa is the tiniest state of our country. It is a dot-sized state, we say, and yet it's very beautiful, and it looks like there is a purpose to destroy Goa. The pollution is going to cause all kinds of health ailments. People are going to suffer, our children are going to suffer. Is this called good governance? What are the elected representatives doing with respect to the second track? Have they conducted an EIA, Environment Impact Assessment, to find out what will happen with the coal dust pollution? What will be the impact on the health of the people? Has this study been done? Where is the responsibility of our elected representatives? They have failed the people that have elected them to power. And therefore, everybody is aware of what is happening within the state of Goa, and there is no doubt people are wise. People know how to think. People know what is good for them. And this time, it's going to be Captain Viriato representing Goa at the
Center, Lok Sabha.
center at the Lok Sabha. Okay, and I'm happy it's going to be Captain Viriato, because Captain Viriato is a man who's educated, a man who understands, a man who will be able to speak on behalf of the state and on behalf of the people. There is no doubt victory will be ours very soon.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.